Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on FX Replay. So we will click first here on get started, and then he will send us right here to the sign up page. Now we fill in right here our main email address that we are using right there, and then we do sign up with email. Then right now we create a username and a password, so we will do this real quick. And then we click right here on next. Then we click right here on start for free. You can also decide if you want to do an intermediate or a pro license, but free is fine for now. So then I click right there on free. Then we click right here, proceed to checkout. Fill in your first name, second name, and then my country. And then we do next right here. Then we do subscribe. And now he's processing your payment and checking the details to go free. And now they want us to do some questions. So now click here on the cross. We give them answers to all the questions. And then right now we did all the questions and they sent an email verification to my email address. So right now we do resend. And now if we go to our email address, we need to click right there on the verification. So we will do this real quick. Your email has been verified successfully. So right now we refresh this page. And we click on the cross and now we are here. And right now we are in FX Replay. So this is how you can create yourselves an account on FX Replay. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.